Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert area symbol in MS Word. So very easily you can insert it. Firstly you need to click on insert. You see here this insert tab, so just click on it. Now chart, and in this list, this all chart list, you find this area. So just click on it. Now here this so many style like 3D area or more. So select which one you like and press OK. So very easily you can insert this, and you can customize also like this way. You see here this is customized here. So very easily you can insert it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.